So welcome back to online classes. So today's topic, accounting equations. Accounting equations is one of the basic, that is fundamental topic. So accounting equations, so this concept says that assets equal to capital plus liabilities, or capital is equal to assets minus liabilities, or liabilities is equal to assets minus capital. So this accounting equations here will record both the aspects of transactions. So we will record both a debit and a credit. So books of accounts maintained under a two system. First, SES, that is single entry system, and a double entry system. Single entry system, it is an incomplete system of bookkeeping. It is an incomplete system of bookkeeping, whereas double entry system, it is an complete system of bookkeeping. Under SCS, only one aspect of transactions are recorded. Only one aspect, that is debit, either a credit. Under a double entry system, both the aspects of transactions are recorded. Both the aspects of transactions are recorded. Now, accounting equations, under accounting equations will follow dual concept here. Dual means both the aspects of transactions are recorded. It will affect both here. For example, accounting equations with the help of accounting equations, effect of business transactions. Started business with cash, rupees 50,000. Started business with cash, rupees 50,000. So in this transaction, so two accounts are involved. In this transaction, two accounts are involved. That is, started business with cash. So owner is starting the business. So this is capital. And next, cash. So in this transaction, two accounts are involved, capital and cash. So this is the effect of transaction. It will affect both debit and credit, that is debit equal to credit and credit equal to debit. So that is accounting equations concept. Now, capital, as per English system of accounting, capital comes under a personal account, and cash is an asset, comes under a real account. So as per American system, as per English system, capital, cash comes under personal, capital, personal account, cash real account. Now we have to find out debit and credit here. So capital is debit, credit the giver, personal account, debit the receiver, credit the giver. So personal account, credit the giver. So this is credit. Next, cash is a real account. So real account, debit what comes in, debit what comes in. So cash is come to the business. So this is debit side. So it shows that this transaction will affect both debit and credit, both debit and credit. So debit equal to credit and credit equal to debit. So this is accounting equations concept. Now, so this is under English system. Now under American system, capital and cash. So under American system, you know, there are 5 accounts are maintained. That is asset account, liabilities account, capital account, expenses and losses account, incomes and gains account. Now here also under American system you had debit and credit rules. Debit and credit rules. Assets, expenses, losses. Assets, expenses, losses increases debit side, decreases credit side. Then liabilities, capital, incomes and gains. Incomes and gains increases credit side, decreases debit side. Now capital, so rules, increase and decrease rules. So capital rules, debit decreases, credit increases. So capital is increasing here. So owner is starting the business, so always capital is increasing. So capital is increases here. So if it is increases, so this is credit side. So cash is an asset. So cash is an asset. So assets increase and decrease rules. If assets increases, debit side. If assets decreases, credit side. So this is under American system of accounting, debit and credit rules. So debit and credit. So as per the new, you know, the concept, the students are advised to follow the American system of accounting, that is increase and decrease rules. Now same, one more example. Purchased furniture for cash, rupees 5,000. So purchased furniture for cash, rupees 5,000. So in this transaction, 2 accounts are involved. So first purchased furniture, and next cash. So as per English system of accounting, furniture and cash comes under real account. So it is an real account. So real account, debit what comes in, credit was goes out. So furniture, purchased furniture. So furniture is coming to the business. So this is debit side. And cash also comes under real account. So rules, credit was goes out. Purchased furniture for cash. So cash is going out of the business. So this is credit side. Under American system of accounting, furniture is increasing, assets is increasing. So this is increasing debit side, and cash is decreasing. Why is it decreasing? Because we are paying cash here. So this is credit side. So with the help of this, we can ascertain that, we can easily understand that accounting equations, debit is equal to credit and credit is equal to debit. So this concept, it is there in a double entry system. So SCS is an incomplete system of bookkeeping. whereas double entry system, it is an complete system of bookkeeping. So here we'll record only one aspect of transactions, that is debit or credit. So here under double entry system, both debit and credit aspects of transactions are recorded. So this SCS is suitable for a small business, is suitable for a small trader, whereas double entry system is suitable for let it be any type of forms of business organization, maybe a sole trader, maybe a large business, small business, partnership firm, or joint stock company. So it is suitable for all types of business. So this double entry system, so under double entry system, there is a concept will follow. So that is accounting equations, dual concept. It means will follow both debit and credit. Now, so assets equal to capital plus liability. So capital is equal to assets minus liabilities, and liabilities is equal to assets minus capital. Now, so example, so assets, capital, liabilities. First, assets is missing information, that is you have to find out the asset here. 50,000 capital and 1,50,000 is a liability. So assets means including all types of assets, tangible, intangible, current assets, so fixed assets. Capital means the shareholders fund, that is owners fund, and liabilities. So all types of liabilities, short term liabilities, long term liabilities, example creditors, bills payable, bank loan. So first you have to find out assets here. So assets is question mark. So assets is equal to capital plus liability. So A. So assets is equal to capital. Capital is 50,000 plus 1,50,000. So this is 2 lakhs. So 2 lakhs what here? Asset. Next, second, assets 1,20,000, capital is question mark. So there is missing information, we have to find out capital, and liabilities is 70,000. Now capital is equal to assets minus liabilities. To find out capital, in assets you have to minus liabilities. So assets 1,20,000 minus liabilities 70,000. 1,20,000 minus 70,000. So 50,000 is 50,000 is a capital here. Next, assets 60,000. Capital 20,000. So liabilities is question mark. So here we have to find out the liability. So liabilities is equal to assets. Assets 60,000 minus capital. Capital is 20,000. So this is 40,000. So this is liability. So this is accounting equations. Assets equal to capital plus liabilities. Capital is equal to assets minus liabilities. Next, liabilities is equal to assets minus capital. So next, so this is one of the a basic concept for +1, and this is important for practical oriented question, POQ question. As per Karnataka board, so this is a practical oriented question for 5 marks. So next, with the help of this transaction, how to prepare accounting equations. How to prepare accounting equations, I will show you. Effect of business transactions. So this is also important for 6 marks as per +1, that is Karnataka PUC board. So with the help of this transaction, how to prepare the accounting equations. How to prepare accounting equations. So effect of business transactions already has shown. First, started a business with the cash rupees 50,000. So capital plus liabilities, and so here assets. Now assets equal to capital plus liabilities. So this is the simple way to understand accounting equations. So he started a business with cash. So two accounts are involved. So that is capital credit side, cash is a debit side. So capital is a liability. So here left side. So here we are following balance sheet format, horizontal. So balance sheet also is one of the basic concept. So balance sheet is a statement, is not a account. It shows the various assets and liabilities of the business. So left side liabilities and right side assets. So this is horizontal format balance sheet. So first capital. So capital. So this is capital. So capital 50,000. Capital 50,000. Next assets, that is cash 50,000. So this is first transaction, started business with cash. So two assets, one asset is introduced into the business, that is cash. So assets equal to liabilities. So this is accounting equations concept. Started business with cash, cash is coming to the business, that is assets, and capital is a liability. Next, second, purchased furniture for cash. Purchased furniture for cash. Now, so capital remain same here. So capital is 50,000. When capital will, when the capital will change. So simple, capital amount will change. Capital amount will affect on the generally two transactions. If owner brought additional capital, so that time capital will increase. If capital withdrawn by the owner, so that time capital will decrease. And even drawings. So what withdrawals made by the owner, that we are going to deduct in capital amount. So brought additional capital and drawings, two things will affect capital here. So these transactions will not affect the capital, because purchase furniture for cash, So in cash only, so in 50,000 cash he has paid 5,000 for purchased of furniture. Now capital is 50,000. So cash, actual cash is 50,000. So in that the business has purchased the furniture, that value is 5,000. Now remaining cash is 45,000. So here 5,000, we can say the difference here. See, liabilities side capital is 50,000 and assets 45,000. So both the aspects of transactions are recorded. It means debit and credit. Debit equal to credit and credit equal to debit. That is assets equal to liabilities and liability equal to assets. Purchased furniture for cash. So furniture is one of the assets here. So asset will be recorded asset side. So furniture. So furniture is 5,000. So total 50,000. 50,000. So this is shows that assets equal to liabilities and liabilities equal to assets.